To automatically do a certain app action when the work mode is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine. While you are in the mode screen, tap work, tap change setting. Under suggest the settings section, tap open an app or do an app action, and then select the required app action you like to automatically do when the work mode is on. As the example, we will select new tab for Chrome, tap done button, and then tap done button again to save the change. By doing this, now when the work mode is on, your phone will automatically open a new tab in the Chrome browser app. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.